eager and ready to start their new way of life in the sacred grounds of the Academy and be incorporated to the midshipman fleet of the Maritime Academy of Asia and the Pacific. However, this new milestone only marks the first step in fulfilling their dreams of becoming world-class merchant marine officers and engineers. They still have to undergo more rigorous academics, drills, and formations that could result to more stress and pressure. On the other hand, those things were not made for them to suffer, but instead to prepare them in the reality of life at sea. There, they should always be vigilant in all occasions, for they are constantly at risk due to the unpredictability of the deep blue sea and Mother Nature. For that reason, the Maritime Academy of Asia and the Pacific welcomes these young men and women and pledges its full support for the accomplishment of not only their dreams, but ours as well.
One, two, three, four, five, six.
At this juncture, Midshipman First Class Chris John Ilaya, the Executive Officer of the 2nd Squadron, will command the class of 2016 to perform Manual of Arms to signify that they have earned their right to be incorporated to the Midshipman Fleet of the Maritime Academy of Asia and the Pacific. Likewise, the fleet commander gives a series of manual of arms to signify the standards set by the midshipman fleet.
At this point, we shall proceed with the donning of shoulder boards and pinning of